Hey guys, today I want to show you how you can make a retractable hose like this in your greenhouse. It's pretty simple and you can do this relatively cheaply. I'm at Rose Creek Farm in Selmer, Tennessee. We're just on the first day of our workshop here. But I wanted to show you guys this because it's a really handy and neat thing you can do in a greenhouse. So the main purpose of this is to just keep your hose off the ground, which actually allows you to have more real estate dedicated to growing. Now this is a pretty low-tech greenhouse, but it's a cool example of something that you can do really simply. You probably have a lot of the infrastructure for this around. If not, you could go to a place like Home Depot or Lowe's or wherever and put this thing together. So what we're looking to do here is get our hose off the ground, and every 10 feet or so, we're gonna bunch the hose up onto some simple hanging casters that are gonna hang from a tension wire down the center of your greenhouse, or you can put this wherever, as long as you'd have the wire strong with tension, and it bunches up. So you can walk back, so you can essentially walk anywhere in the greenhouse and not have your hose dragging on the ground. Now, all you really got to do is set yourself up a tension wire along the top, and then take a hose, use some casters, some hose clips, some hose clamps, and some sort of piece of rubber on your hose to prevent it from kinking. And you can install this on your greenhouse. It's really simple. You have your water source down on one end, and then you have your hose go all the way to the end. You just want to make sure that your hose, whatever watering apparatus you're using, can reach any point in the greenhouse. So you can take your watering wand over to your planting area. You can take it to any corner of the greenhouse to water everything. And it's just a really clean and easy way to keep your hose off the ground and have easy access anywhere. You never have to pick up the hose and worry about it. You can buy these in sort of a complicated, these can get really advanced and technical, but it's really, really easy to make one of these. As long as you've got a tension wire, you can use a ratchet strap type, you can use some kind of ratchet up on the top to tighten the wire, and you essentially just hang your hose from there, and that's pretty much it.